Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two concentric circles are of radii 9 cm and r cm, that r is greater than 9. A chord of a larger circle of length 32 cm touches the smaller circle. Find the value of r. From the given information, let us draw two circles with the center O. Then here we have given that the radii of the two circles is r and 9 cm, that r is greater than 9. Suppose this is r centimeter and the radii of the smaller circle is 9 cm. Let this AB be the tangent to the smaller circle which touches at point C. We have to find radius r. Now here OA equals to r centimeter, OC equals to 9 centimeter. As tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, that is, here OC is perpendicular to the tangent AB, so it forms a right angled triangle at point C. So in right angled triangle, OCA, by Pythagoras theorem, we can take OA square equals to OC square plus AC square. Now OA square is r square, OC square is 9 square, and as that OC is the perpendicular bisector of AB, so that AC will be 32 by 2 its square. Since radius bisects the chord and length of AB is given as 32 centimeters. So r square will be 9 square plus 16 square. So it is 337. Taking square root on both the sides, we get r equals to 18.36 centimeters. Hence, value of r is 18.36 centimeters.